measurement must be exact and absolutely precise, guaranteeing his own safety as well as the safety of those of us here on the ground. From his perch atop the cannon, he surveyed the situation. He will now make all last-minute adjustments. Ready on the left. Stand by on the right. Ladies and gentlemen, the landing pad is set. The landing pad is in position. And with Sean Marin's approval, we are good to go! Directing your attention once again to the mighty cannon. It will now be elevated to the proper height, to the proper angle, to the proper degree necessary to accomplish this amazing mission here at the Circus. Everyone join me in wishing Sean Marin a safe and successful flight with a big round of applause. There is no turning back now. The cannon is fully charged. Everyone, as we await the signal for the final countdown, your cooperation, silence please. Absolute silence. Join me with the countdown. 5,